my car like this.
Oh man, what did you say, Rosie? Would you yell at me?
Thank you for the gift.
This car? He said, "Oh, Dad, look at this truck's tires." Yeah, look at it. He's got a 2-foot lift on this one. Holy cow, that is super nice. All right, so over here at another Family Dollar, and this Family Dollar was one of those Family Dollars who did not get this tray right here. And lo and behold, it got it now. So here is the regular treasure hunt for the G case. They finally got this thing. It took them forever, but they got one in. And here is the regular treasure hunt. This is G case cars and K case cars. So this should be G. It is, so it is not gonna produce one of those. But there are some cars missing, so apparently I'm not first. But since the treasure hunt was front and center, I guess whoever did find it first did not need that particular treasure hunt. It's okay. Thanks for leaving it. It makes me a little bit happier, but it also tells me I'm probably not going to find anything else. Let's see. But we're going to look nonetheless, right? Because it could have just been a regular kid looking for cars as well. And if you didn't know, half of these, like I'll pull out that Pajero I just saw, half of these cars are actually international cars. So you can tell that by, there is no guaranteed for life stamp right there on the hook, and the numbers are unidentifiable by the case. Usually the last number in that series tells you what the case number is. Like this one says G case at the end, but international cards don't do that. I don't know why. Okay, well, nothing left in there. Let's go ahead and peek at the pegs real quick. It is a huge mix. What is this? This is D case. This is obviously K case from last year. I was gonna say J, but no, it is the K. So we got a huge mix of cars in there. We'll just poke through for fun. Why not? Okay, there is that D case main line. Yep, there it is. So that goes with you. What? This is the K case regular treasure hunt, the bone shaker. It is the international card, so it went with this one. So this shipper got 2 regular treasure hunts. Look at that. That's semi-lucky. Very cool. Let's see, anything else? Let's keep going through here. Obviously someone transitioned that over to the pegs. Let's see, there was some kind of D case here. I don't know when that came, if it was recent or not, but there's a lot of it left here. Nope. Okay, check this bottom row real quick. Let's check that guy. G case again. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. There was no super variant left. I don't know if someone got lucky or not, but there was definitely 2 regular treasure hunts here. Look at that. So I'm trying to be cool, but that's impossible for me, right? Oh, you don't watch me because I'm cool. All right, there it is. So, hey, shipper finally made it. Got a couple of regular treasure hunts, but yeah, we're moving on. All right, so we're over here at another Dollar Tree and we're checking the pegs for new Hot Wheels, and we have new old Hot Wheels. That is your telltale sign right there of that gold Sylvia. It is super nice, but it is definitely from 2023. And so is that Batmobile. So we can go ahead and peek through here. Let's see, what is it anyway? It is the G case. So the G case is the Gas Monkey, and the Rise and Climb is that regular treasure hunt. So we definitely want to see a sparkling bronze looking Gas Monkey. That would be super nice. There is a Renault. That was the previous case Super, so that's just a main line. That is the Gas Monkey, and it is a main line. Wah, wah, wah. That's okay. It happens. We found, oh, there's your regular treasure hunt. This is just running right by. We're almost done. There you go. Oh, it's got a little bend in the corner there. Took a bit of a hit. I was gonna say, why isn't that going on the hook? Because it is bent. There you go. Let's just make sure there's not a second one. There's just another gold Sylvia. I think that should have been the Super, but it was red instead. Black would have been much better, but that was the first edition color, so that's okay. I think it was that, then silver. And I do believe that is it. So, yep, okay. So, just the main line and a regular treasure hunt. All right, no biggie. Let's put that back like that and like that. And we're moving on. Sweet. All right, we're over here at another Family Dollar and we're checking the pegs for fresh Hot Wheels. And yet again, we've got an overflowing set of Hot Wheels here. Let's see, we are staring at what looks like a D case. I do see that Back to the Future car right there. So we love that guy. That is part of the D case, right? Yes, it is. Some of you might remember that that was a Super treasure hunt about 5 years ago. I had to make a trade to get one. At that time, I was living in Italy and I was looking like crazy at all the short card versions, but I never did find a short card Super treasure hunt of this guy. But when I got back stateside, I traded for one. I don't know, maybe it was like approximately $45 in value at the time. Who knows what it is now. I do see the mainline version of the Mercedes-Benz AMG, so that that is quick. Hopefully there's another one in here, but we didn't find the regular treasure hunt yet, so let's keep digging. That was fast. So I guess the B case for 2025 has this guy right here in a Zamek version, so be on the lookout for that. I actually can't wait to see it. That's a good one. That Jeep J10 truck and K&N. Yeah, that G case had a lot of good stuff in it way back then. Let's see. These are tight. These are tight. Oh, there it goes. I knew I'd drop it. I was trying my best to not drop them. Oh, okay. Here is the regular treasure hunt. There's your custom Chevy. Very nice. Yeah, I couldn't remember. That was 18 cases I found. I had no regular treasure hunt. None of those and none of the, or one of the bone shakers. So, okay. So we got some leftovers from that holiday set that went around, I want to say October time frame. How about you? You don't look right. Q case from last year. Okay. All right. Well, one row, and it's gonna result in me dropping more cars. I just know it. Oh, what are you? Oh man. G case. Okay, that was part of that wave from before. All right. And I think that's gonna do it. So no second, I did drop a card. No second AMG. So c'est la vie, just got the regular treasure hunt. All right, no biggie. I don't see anything else new, so we're moving on. Sweet. All right, here's Dominic's Super Treasure Hunt collection. It's pretty good for a 9-year-old, right? Man, look at this. That is pretty good. He really wanted the AK Super, so I gave it to him. We'll find another one. There's the one he just found. Very cool. Good job, buddy. Not bad.